Hindi ka pa din ba makasend or makareceive ng message gamit ang messenger mo? O sige, tuturo ko naman ngayon yung advanced troubleshooting. Number 1, clear messenger's cache. Clearing the app's cache can resolve temporary data corruption issues. Makikita mo yung cache sa app manager ng mobile phone mo. I-click mo lang yung messenger at i-clear mo to. Number 2, reinstall messenger. If the problem persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. So ang gawin nyo guys ay ganito. Uninstall nyo muna yung mismong messenger app, restart nyo yung phone nyo, tapos saka nyo i-install ulit yung mismong app. Number 3, reset network settings. If you suspect network-related issues, reset your device network settings. For mobile phone, patay mo muna yung mismong internet data. Tapos, i-airplane mode mo for about 5 to 10 seconds. Saka mo ulit ibalik yung internet data. At kung gumagamit naman kayo ng Wi-Fi modem, i-restart nyo na lang yung mismong Wi-Fi modem nyo. Number 4, enable background data. Ensure Messenger is allowed to use background data, especially if you're not receiving notification. So pagdating dyan sa background data, sundan mo na lang itong steps na to. Number 5, check if the person you're replying to has deactivated or deleted their account, or if they have blocked you. Of course guys, pag deactivated na yung isang account or blinak kayo, hindi talaga kayo makakapag-send ng message. Number 6, check if you have blocked the person you are trying to message. Siyempre guys, message ka ng message, pero yun pala, blinak mo pala yung taong gusto mong i-message. And lastly, if you are trying to message a group chat, ensure that the other members have not left the conversation. Of course guys, pagdating sa group chat, madali na mamamonitor or makita kung marami na nag-left sa mismong group. So paano? Nasolve na ba nito yung problema mo sa Messenger? If yes, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys!